Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you most amazing collection of crochet ponchos. You will see some most unique and amazing designs in this video, and two type of patterns are included in this video. You will see wrap patterns, and you will see one or two row repeat patterns, and you will see patchwork patterns in this video as well. So different kinds of patterns are included, and these are all made with different types of yarn, and you will see multicolor yarn used in some of the designs as well. Most of the designs are in contrasting colors, and you will see just a few of the designs in one single color as well. So different kinds of patterns are made with different colors of color schemes, and all of them are looking very attractive and gorgeous. These are mostly in medium size, as you can see, and some of the designs are in larger size as well, and all of these designs are having very attractive and gorgeous color schemes, and I hope you're gonna love them all. So just watch this video till the end to get all ideas, because you will find almost 35 plus ideas in this single video, and all of them are very unique and different from each other. You can see all of these patterns are beginner friendly. Most of the patterns are made with solid double crochet stitches, along with a few rows which are made with double crochet and chain one pattern like this one, and these are super quick to make as well. And you will see granny stripped pattern designs as well, and you will see granny square patchwork, Afghan square flower patchwork designs as well, and granny stripped patterns are made at the bottom part like this one. And most of these designs are having long fringes, and some of the designs are having tassels of medium size on them as well. If you are a lover of long fringes, you can add long fringes to them as well. You can see this very attractive and gorgeous V-stitch pattern, which is also super beginner friendly and super quick to make as well, made with very attractive and gorgeous contrasting color schemes. You can see this beautiful pattern with multicolor yarn, and some contrasting colors are also used. So just give them a try. Take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make, and make it by yourself at home. I have a granny stripped baby poncho pattern already available on my channel. So you can just use the same pattern, and just with the help of increasing base chains and increasing more rounds, you can make the same pattern in adult size as well. So just follow the instructions which are available in tutorial video. And if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos of any other ponchos which is currently not available on my channel, you can let me know in the comments as well. I will make it for you. So stay connected and share your opinion in the comment box. Do let me know if you are interested in seeing any other ideas videos as well, because I also upload crochet tutorial videos and ideas videos on my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.